Here we're asked to find the real solutions for an equation using a graphing utility. We want to find the real solutions to 2x cubed minus x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. And we'll round our solutions to 2 decimal places. Since the equation is set up where we have the left side is equal to 0, we're going to go ahead and in our graphing utility, we're going to just put in this left side as y1 in our y equal to screen. So here in our calculator, we go to our y equal to screen and we'll type in 2x to the third power minus x squared minus 2x plus 1. And we want to find out where this expression here, 2x cubed minus x squared minus 2x plus 1, is equal to 0. We're going to go ahead and start by graphing the equation to get a look at what's going on. We'll do our zoom go to the zoom menu, scroll down to 6 to do our standard window, because it says that the solutions must all lie between -10 and 10. Here we can see the graph of our y1. Notice that we're looking for places where it hits the x-axis. That's where y is equal to 0. Since we don't need the entire screen, we don't really need to go from -10 to 10, we can go ahead and adjust our window settings a little bit to tighten up our view. So in our window settings, press our window key, we're going to let x min equal -3, x max equal 3. We'll keep our scale of 1 since we're on the order of 1. And we really are interested in where y is equal to 0. So we don't need to go much above or below 0. So we're going to let y min be -3, y max be +3, and again, the scale is 1. If we graph that, now we get a much clearer view of our graph and where it crosses the x-axis. So we see that there are 3 x-intercepts, which means there are 3 real solutions to this equation. We're going to go ahead and start from the point that is furthest to the left. So we'll go to our calc menu. We're going to pick option number 2 for 0. We'll get left bound, so we want to scroll along our graph until we're clearly to the left of that x-intercept. Hit enter. And we'll scroll to the right, so we're just clearly to the right. We don't want to go too far so that we cover 2 of the possible solutions. Hit enter to select that, and for our guess, we're going to go close to the x-intercept and hit enter. And here it says that the 0 is x equals -1. Since we're looking for y is equal to 0, we know that one of the solutions to our equations is x equals -1. We'll go on to the next one. Go back to our calc menu, pick option number 2 again. Get the same questions, left bound. We're going to scroll. And so we're just to the left of the point we're interested in. Hit enter to select that. Then we want to move to the right. Here we need to be careful that we don't go too far. I'm just going to go down here to the bottom of this little curve so that I'm clearly to the right of the point I'm looking for. Hit enter to select that. My guess, I'll scroll back to that point. Hit enter. I'll see that the second solution to this equation is x is equal to 0.5. Find our final solution. Go back to our calc menu, option number 2, scroll to the left of that third point, hit enter to select that, scroll to the right, hit enter, and then my guess, I'm going to scroll back close to that point. Make sure you don't go past your bounds when you do that. We'll hit enter and see that our third and final solution to this equation is x equal to 1. So we have 3 solutions. The solutions to our equation will be -1, 0.5, and +1.